Hello my dear, welcome to the ingredient channel. In this week's episode, I'm introducing another traditional Chinese food. We're making Chinese bacon. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Like other types of bacon, Chinese bacon is typically made from pork belly with skin attached. The spices perfume the meat and grant the bacon a special braised pork taste, such that every bite is delicious, fat but not greasy. Chinese bacon is either air-cured or smoked. Today, we're going to use the oven to prepare for the bacon, which shortens the cooking period and offers the flexibility to cook at our own convenience. The bacon can be cooked in many ways, standalone or with other ingredients like vegetables. At the end of this video, we're going to make a quick stir fry with jalapeno and the Chinese bacon we make. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna cut the pork belly into proper sizes and spray salt around the pork belly. And in the container, we're going to add all the spices plus light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, cooking wine, at the end we spray some sugar on top. Put it into the refrigerator. We're going to soak it for a day. The second day, we're going to flip the pork belly around to the other side, so all of them can be soaked thoroughly by the liquid ingredient. Cover the lid for another day and do the same for 2 more days. Flip the pork belly every day. Then we're going to take them out, drain the water and the liquid on the shelf, the baking shelf. For about 2 hours, the surface is going to be completely dry. We're going to add an aluminum baking sheet and then put it into the oven, lowest temperature, 170 Fahrenheit. Bake for 6.5 hours. Take them out, cool down. As you see, the oil is all on the bottom and on the baking sheet. Now they are hardened and ready to use. We're going to cut them into about 1 millimeter thin slice. As you see, after being processed, the fat portion of the meat is transparent. It doesn't taste greasy. In this recipe, I went a little bit against the tradition. I didn't soak the bacon in the water for several hours because I can't wait. I just want to eat them right away. I removed the membrane of the jalapeno so that it's not too spicy before I cut them into pieces. The normal way of cooking the bacon is actually soak it in the water for about 6 hours and take it out and cook. I'm not doing that way because the bacon that I made is not very salty. It's not as salty as the one sold at stores. In a heated pan with 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, we're going to add the bacon slices, stir fry them. a little bit ginger, water, about half a cup. Simmer for about 20 minutes. You can see the skin is tender and soft. That means the pork belly is ready. Then we're going to simmer for about 1 minute. Just let the liquid completely evaporate it. As you see, the fat portion is actually dark and transparent. And then we're gonna take out these bacons, and we're gonna use that leftover oil to stir fry the jalapeno. Add a little bit salt, stir fry for about 2 minutes until the jalapeno is soft. Now we're going to add the bacon back in. Add the garlic and red chili pepper. Stir fry for about 2 minutes again. Sprinkle a little bit sugar. Mix well, and they are ready to go with a cup of rice. It is so delicious. My mouth is so watering right now, even by just watching it. I probably will cook another one tonight. Well, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed the episode. Check out the other videos in my channel. Subscribe and support. Thank you.